Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, February 7th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, triple Qs. Real quick, prior to getting started, put out a little message on LinkedIn over the weekend for college students. So if there's any college students out here, offering $10 per month for college students, Venmo me at Paul-Asmar. And give me your email and the college you attend. I'm trying to get some younger people interested in properly trading these markets. Okay, so right now we're all basically in balance at the high end of our value. Remember, the markets gave it up late on Friday. Case of weak longs getting out. Russell held their trend day. So did triple Qs. So they both go out with double distribution days. We did not, obviously. M filled the single prints and even went lower. So the question is, did this make the market stronger, right? We had a lot of weak longs, obviously. We only had one set of single prints at one point. We attempted to have three, and then they all gave it up. So a lot of times what didn't happen is just as important. What did happen, and what didn't happen is we didn't have a double distribution day. However, we also have to take M period, like I said, with a grain of salt a lot of times because it's more important the day following than the day of. So this B high, M low from Friday will be important for me, even though it's not a double distribution day. Overnight high, 449.98 as of right now, although we're pushing higher as we speak, it looks like, and 446.40 our overnight low. So game plan for now and or at 9:30. Well, even though it would be the worst of the risk-reward imbalance in value, I guess you could take, now there's not much below, right? All we had was the day's high and low from Friday in SPY and ES. But I guess you could take a long against B's high and M's low. You get below that, I'm out, because like I said, there's nothing below us, okay? The overnight low is right around F's low, but that was not an afternoon pullback. So that's one play you can take. On the flip side, if we push up, you could take a short against the day's high, out if you get accepted above it. In the next 75 minutes, if we open below B's high and below M's low, you could take a short. See if there's still sellers there and see if they roll over and get the low of the day. So as far as the other two, you could certainly take a long against J's low and Russell, out if the single prints fill and you get acceptance into the lower distribution. Same with triple Qs, long against B's high, out if you get accepted below into the lower distribution. And then, just quickly, just going to show you the weekly and the daily. Remember, I recapped all of these on Friday. If you haven't watched it, take some time to do that. We're in a 3-week balance. Nothing will change. Nothing will change until we take out the weekly high of January 17th. Even if we take out this week's high. Now, if we take out this week's high, good chance we're going to test the top of that balance. But it's not like the weekly would go up yet, not until we get acceptance above there. And the same on the way down. If we take out this week's low, nothing changes until we take out the weekly low of January 24th. So it's a large 3-week balance on that. And then on the daily, remember, I called the daily down. One time framing down 2 days. And that, again, to me, if we have an inside day, then I would see if we go to balance on the daily. If we take out Friday's high, we're certainly back in balance. If we take out Friday's low, we continue the trip to the downside. 20-day moving average right now, 451.56. We tested it both Thursday and Friday and closed below it. And we're above the 200-day. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.